Since I have this Bambu X1C, I've been printing quite a bit more, and one of the things I printed is this thing here. Let me wind it up, and then once I wind it up, then we can let it go and find out what it does. Hold this. Okie dokie. So this is how you wind it up. Okay. And then I'm going to let it go. Okay, so there's not much power left, or my table isn't level enough, I think, more likely. And as you can see, it would run just about all the time, but anyway, I'll try to find a page where I downloaded it from, and maybe you can, one of you maybe can do the same thing. But I'm very pleased with it. It really works well. So the only thing I can say is have a great day, give me thumbs up, and come back again.